Hello, my dear students. Good morning. I hope you all are safe and fine at your home. You are doing your studies well. In all subjects, we already completed one chapters, and you have to read perfectly and learn perfectly all question answers of that chapter. Along with enjoying, stay home, stay safe. As you know, I am Mrs. Vijayashree Shastri, 3rd standard SS teacher. All of you know, every day we are following some activities. Before starting our class means our reading or explanation, we do very effective activity, that is prayer. Okay, first everyone close your eyes, join your hands, then close your eyes, join your hands. If you know any shloka, you recite. Otherwise, I am going to speak shloka. You have to listen it very carefully. Okay? Close your eyes and join your hands. Now, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guru Deo Namah. Tasmai Shri Guru Deo Namah. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Okay, students, rub your hands. Touch your hands to your face and open your eyes slowly. Okay? Now, our next activity is, everyone knows now our next activity. Our next activity is today's thought. Today's thought of the day is what we think, we become. Okay? What we are thinking to do, that we will become. Okay? Do you know that one? What we think, we will become that only. If today we are going to complete our work, then our wish is that surely we will complete that work. So first we have to think positively, then we will become that only. So I repeat my thought, what we think we become. What we think we become. जो हम सोचते हैं वही बनते हैं. Our today's subject, social studies, chapter number 2, the earth, a living planet. Okay, what is the name of the chapter? Earth, the living planet. And today's thought of the day is what we think we become. Okay, what we think that we are going to become. Is it clear, everyone? So we will start our chapter 2 with reading. First I am going to read the chapter, then we will underline the hard words. Whenever I am reading that chapter, you have to listen carefully. Okay, my dear students, our chapter name is chapter number 2, page number 13. Our page number 13, you have to open your textbook, page number 13. The earth, a living planet. The earth, our home. Earth is our home. Human beings, animals, birds, insects, and millions of trees, small plants live on the earth, which is a beautiful planet of the solar system. The earth is spherical in shape and very big in size. It is made up of land and water and air. Okay? Whenever I am reading, you have to listen it carefully. Open page number 13. Whatever sentence I am reading, you have to keep your finger on sentence, then listen it carefully. Now, page number 13. Next. Nearly 70% of Earth is covered with water. From this space, the Earth looks like a round blue marble. Due to presence of water on it in large quantity, the Earth is called a blue watery planet. You will see here picture. Circle means this is a shape of Earth. Then 70% of water and 30% of land is here. Lithosphere. The upper uneven surface of the Earth is known as a lithosphere. There are high mountains, plateaus, plains, rivers and deep oceans on the Earth. Now turn the page number 14. Okay. Finger on that sentence. Atmosphere. The Earth is surrounded by a layer of air called the atmosphere. We cannot see but feel the presence of air, which is essential to live. There is nearly 21% oxygen gas, which is required by all living beings to breathe. Here picture is given, this here atmosphere and its structure. Now only we will read this. While I am explaining, that time I am going to explain you. Fact. From the upper surface of water bodies, water evaporates continuously, so there is moisture, humidity in the air that helps to control the temperature on the Earth. Now, hydrosphere. Nearly 70% of the Earth is covered with water and the remaining 30% is land. The seas, lakes and other water bodies on the Earth's surface taken collectively are known as a hydrosphere. Do you know? Biosphere is the region between the surface and the atmosphere of the Earth occupied by living organisms. Remember, potable water is precious and limited. We should not pollute the water. Movement of the Earth. Rotation. The Earth rotates on its axis once in 24 hours, which is called the daily motion of the Earth or the rotation of the Earth. The Earth rotates on its axis of west to east. Revolution. The Earth revolves around the Sun in 365.14 days 1 year, which is also called the annual motion of the Earth or the revolution of the Earth. The Moon is the only natural satellite of the Earth which revolves around the Earth once in 28 days. The Earth, a suitable planet for living beings. As we know, all living things require air, water, food and sunlight. The sun gives us heat, light and energy. The sun rays. Turn the page number 15. The sun rays take nearly 8 minutes to reach the Earth. The temperature on the Earth is just right for the life or to exist on it. Actually, the life on the Earth is possible due to presence of air, water, soil and suitable temperature. No more. In the presence of sunlight, plants prepare their food through the process of photosynthesis. Plants make the earth green and purify the environment. The earth has all the conditions suitable for living beings. We must protect, save the earth, which is the only planet in the universe, having a water, air, and the right temperature for living beings. Horizon. Horizon. Look at the given picture. When we look around the earth, we are able to see only a small part of the earth. The earth looks flat, and to our eyes, the sea and the land appear to meet at the other end. The line at which the earth's surface and the sky appear to meet is known as a horizon. Actually, the sky and the earth never meet. This picture is the sea seems to join the sky. In fact, along the coast, we feel that the sea and the land meet, but if we move forward every time we come closer towards the horizon, it seems to move further from us every time, and we can never reach it. Shape of the earth. The earth is round, spherical in shape. We can say the earth is like the shape of globe, which is the model of the earth. The photographs of the earth taken from this picture is a globe, the model of the earth, spherical shape of the earth. Turn the page, page number 16. Okay. The outer space by the astronauts prove that the earth is round. Now picture is Mediterranean Sea and Black Sea from space. In olden days, people were afraid to travel to distant place. People were superstitious and were quite afraid to cross great water bodies, seas. They presumed that the earth was flat as it seemed to meet at the horizon, so people thought that if they traveled too far, they would reach the other end of the earth and fall off the edge. Later, many people like Copernicus and Aristotle proved that the earth had no edges. Gradually, people realized that the earth was not flat but round like a ball. Nearly 500 years ago, a Portuguese sailor, Ferdinand Magellan, wished to prove that the earth is round in the shape. He started his long voyage from Spain. Magellan sailed westward in the same direction continuously for 3 years. Finally, Magellan's ship reached the same place from where he had started. So, Magellan was successful in proving that the earth is round in shape. He had reached the same destination after a long and difficult journey covering the whole earth. Okay, this is our reading. Quick review. The earth is the only planet in the solar system that has a life. Due to 70% of water on the earth, it is also called the blue planet or a watery planet. The earth is surrounded by a layer of air called the atmosphere. Okay, my dear children. Okay, my dear children. Okay, my dear children. Now I am going to underline hard words. So you have to underline that hard words in your textbook while you are reading. Okay. First hard word is from page number 13. Planet, spherical, round blue marble, presents, quantity, lithosphere, surface, which word I am going to speak here, you have to underline in your textbook. Okay, whenever you are sitting to in my class to watch my videos, that time you have to keep with your pencil with you all materials of SS subject. Do you know which materials are ours? Notebook, textbook and worksheet. Okay, always be ready with that one. First one is hard word is atmosphere, hydrosphere. Potable means drinkable water, rotation, daily motion, annual motion, revolution, natural satellite, covered, collective, biosphere, occupied, precious, pollute, limited, axis, organism, require, sunlight, energy, temperature, presence. Photosynthesis, environment, protect, appear, horizon, forward, towards, spherical, globe, photographs, afraid, superstitious, presumed, travelled, Copernicus, Aristotle, gradually, realized, Portuguese, Ferdinand Magellan, voyage, westward, continuously, successful, destination. Okay, total words are there. You have to underline that words in your textbook and you have to read this chapter perfectly. You have to first listen this reading in your video class. If any hard word is there, please underline. And whenever you are free within 5 to 7, you have to call me. My calling number is 830-630-4003. Okay? Okay students. Take care. Bye bye. Stay safe. Stay home.